We on day 2 right now on our adventures. You see it? Where? You see the bus stop or you see the bus? Oh. Yo, it's lit. We got on the bus just on time too. What time is it right now? It's 10. I'm about to hit this 10 o'clock bus ride. Yesterday we thought we couldn't make it, so we just went into the lake across the street over there. But then we met up some not locals, but we met up some people that was at had the same situation, and they couldn't get on to Yosemite too. So then they told us to take this bus, and it's even better because it's 12 bucks round trip, and we have to go in. We don't need to drive, and then but we were going there with the car. You need a reservation, and it's like 20 bucks a person. So we lucked out on that. So just let you guys know, you guys try to go Yosemite, if you guys don't have a reservation, definitely hit up the bus. Hey, take that shit off. Put that shit back on. Social distancing.
I'm gonna be full-blown tourist today, man. There's a mountain right in front too. You can't see it from this side, but this is hella sick.
Bro, this is nothing new to me, man. I'm used to like high trees.
No, but you know.
For the video.
For the video. You know.
We can't see Yosemite, no waterfall.
Alright, have you guys been here to Yosemite before, to the lower waterfall? Tell me if this is it. If this is supposed to be the spot where the waterfall is at.
They see how far they go.
For real? I was gonna hold it. Yo, time to dip in. First dip. Oh, this looks sick, yo. Damn, this is dope. Are we lake hopping today, guys? We gotta hop in each lake, man. Bruh, this is a single area.
That's pretty sick though.
Not gonna get anything like this in the city. Oh, right here. Yes, a bridge. An unclaimed bridge. That was kind of pointless. Gotta record everything, because I'm probably not gonna come back here for a minute. And you guys look small compared to what's back behind you. Oof. We're on Mist Trail. Don't feel any mist at all. Oh, that looks hella nice to be in there. Alright, we've been hiking for a minute and we found another one that we gotta jump into. Right here. This for us, made stairs. Oh, we're almost there. I guess so, bruh. We're at Verdant Falls right now. Unfortunately, we can't get into the waterfall, but we can get pretty close to it. It just seems like some stairs. It's weird. It's half stairs on height. Who made it? Oh man, my legs are gonna be shot today. Dude,
look at this.
I'm sweating, ball. Sweating. We're going off the trail. Oh, we're going off the trail. I think Sasha messed up by wearing slides. Now he regret it. No hands. Got a bottle in one hand, camera in the other. Ninja. Bruh, oh, that's the view. Now we got it. Oh man, this looks so much bigger up front. Look at the rainbow, bruh.
Find some rocks.
Rainbow. Rainbow, we made it over here. Damn, hella big. It looks nice. Oh look, they're out there too. Oh shit. Yo, let's dip in. Let's dip in. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, yeah! It's so cold. It's so cold. It's very cold, guys. It's very nice though. It's very nice. Dude, it's good, bro. It's cold. Oh man, I just dipped in the fucking waterfall. Oh shit, it's so fucking cold. So cold. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. Earlier, we were the first ones who came here, right? We first came here, me, Saucer, and John. Now we look around. Look, everybody trying to dip in now. Everybody's over here watching. Damn, we started a wave, bro. We starting waves over here. I'm so glad. I was overheating, but now I feel a little bit better, but I feel like I'm drying already. Oh, you can go first. We'll wait here. Hey, that's my name on your shirt. Were you looking for me? Were you like, hey? Take care.
You just fell from the fall.
I know, right? Alright.
Oh man, now we got all majority decline too.
Oh, this is smooth though. This is hella smooth.
Yep. Oh, y'all go with Zephyr dryer by the time.
Oh, hell yeah.
Honestly, I'm not in the mood of like chirping in front of all these people.
Same.
And getting all, I mean, the wet, maybe too wet.
What do you mean, like right now? Or like going into the water earlier?
No, 'cause I have underwear on.
Oh. Is that what it was? You should have wore your swimming trunks like I told you.
I'm not. I told you guys that first.
John, but we didn't share that though. We're supposed to be river boys yesterday, and we're supposed to be fall boys today, man. I'm gonna be like, you remember that one time, John, you didn't go on a waterfall with us? You're like, yep, that was me. All right, I'm done. I'm trying to get back to the bikes. We gotta go return it, huh? By 5?
Maybe you buy 5 to 10.
For the bus or for the bikes? Or for both?
Bike is 5:30.
Oh, so we gotta get to the bus before the bikes, if anything. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Man, these views, you can't beat them. Oh, I wish there was no smoke from the smog right now. It looks so nice. All right, one last river hop and we're done.